मेरा भारत एक धर्मनिरपेक्ष भारत होगा, जहां राज्य सभी धर्मों से समान दूरी बनाए रखेगा और वैज्ञानिकता तथा तार्किकता को प्रोत्साहित करेगा।
I dream of an India where people are valued more than money.
The idea of India, for me, would be a place where the freedom of speech and expression exists in any form, may it be an art form, may it be cultural, or may it be political.
Where science, reason and rationality will prevail over unreason, superstitions and irrationality.
मेरे भारत में जाति के आधार पे, धर्म के आधार पे, लिंग के आधार पे, भाषाई आधार पे तथा अन्य सांस्कृतिक आधारों पे कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं होगा।
Where access to public space and public health system is for all. Where no one need to get afraid to get married outside the religion or caste.
A place where we can live without fear of oppression and any form of fear.
When differently abled are treated equally. When no one need to get hesitant about what to wear or to eat something.
There should be diversity in our country. This diversity can be in political form, cultural form, and it should exist in a place where we move forward breaking the binaries.
मेरे भारत में गरीब से गरीब आदमी की पहुंच शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य तक होगी।
Where the religious minorities do not need to keep proving their patriotism. Where everyone gets work and education is my basic right.
मेरे भारत में बुनियादी जरूरतें जैसे रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान और रोजगार से कोई भी वंचित नहीं होगा।
When no one needs to get down the drains or septic tanks to clean it, and caste-based work should not be the norm.
A place where democracy is socialized, where the marginalized and the lowest ranks of our society have democracy in the form of political power and not just the mere token right of voting.
India, where elections are fair because there is no influence of muscle and money.
मेरे भारत का विकास एक समाजवादी ढर्रे पर होगा, जहां पूंजीवाद और सामंतवाद के लिए कोई भी जगह नहीं होगी।
Everyone takes pride of being a gay, lesbian, bisexual or transgender. No part of my country should be under surveillance, or all languages should be valued equally.
When the Republic of India was formed, the idea was that many different people from diverse backgrounds, different languages, different races, different food habits, different religion, everybody will come together as one. The idea was to have a federation of different nations. That very idea is under threat today.
आज़ादी के वक्त जो बहुत मजहब के नाम पे बहुत ज़्यादा खून खराबा हुआ था, उसी वक्त कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया एक उम्मीद लेके आया था कि हिंदुस्तान इतनी ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी के साथ हर इंसान को अपना कानूनी हक मिलेगा विद डेमोक्रेटिक मीन्स। लेकिन कुछ सालों से हमें ये लग रहा है कि वो आइडिया बदल रहा है।
We are seeing a very powerful, forceful assimilation of a kind that we have never seen before. Annihilation of minorities, the extermination of democratic, ethos.
अगर हम पिछले एक साल की बात करेंगे तो 5 अगस्त 2019 को जिस तरीके से अनडेमोक्रेटिकली जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को ह्यूमिलेट किया गया, उस दिन डेमोक्रेसी को बाय बाय किया गया। और उसी तरीके से 5 अगस्त 2020 को जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया राम जन्मभूमि एक रिलीजन को स्टेट रिलीजन बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो डाइवर्सिटी सेक्युलरिज्म को अलविदा किया जाए।
They are trying to destroy the democratic and secular fabric of this country and trying to push their agenda of Hindu Rashtra more overtly than ever.
India was supposed to be this beautiful salad ball with all its different components retaining their unique identities. Instead, what we are seeing is a giant mixture violently grinding everything into a very yucky juice.
I dream of an India where annihilation of caste, class and patriarchy is a collective dream of an emerging India.
जो भी लोग उस आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया में डाइवर्सिटी और डेमोक्रेसी में बिलीव करते हैं, उनको रजिस्टर करना चाहिए ताकि आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया फेल ना हो जाए।
Let's start by living life on our terms and not by carrying any Indian cultural baggage of Brahmanism forward.
Let's all come together and continue the struggle. People united shall always be victorious.